hope everybody's doing well. Hey, y'all. Well, here I am just to touch base with you guys. And it's been a while that you've seen my face. I've been doing some videos to my other channel, which I really would like to encourage you to subscribe to that channel as well. And if you're not subscribed, I rarely ask this. I always feel weird, but I guess I should as a YouTuber ask. But if you are not subscribed to my channel, I would like to ask you to subscribe and you just hit the button below, and then right next to that is a little bell. And if you click on that, whenever I upload a video, it'll give you a little simple notification. It doesn't mean you have to do it, just let you know I'm filming and I've uploaded. But I would really also like to encourage you to go over to my other channel, which is my Beth Buchanan Pure Bible channel, and that's where I do daily devotionals and Bible studies. I made a channel specifically for that because I just felt the need to do that it would be specifically for that. Even though here I will never apologize for being a Christian or for speaking about Christ, or I've done some Bible studies on this channel. So, but after a while, I decided I wanted to dedicate a channel for that. So that's why there's that channel over there, and I would like you to subscribe to it if you would, please, if you are not already. And also encourage your friends and neighbors, especially if they do not know the Lord yet. Maybe that'd be a way to say, hey, I have a friend on YouTube, and she is got a brand new channel, and she's looking for subscribers if you'd like to check her out. How about that? No, we don't want to be manipulative, but go ahead and tell them about me. Who knows if you could use it as an option to talk to someone. Sometimes it's hard to talk to people about Christ, and people have told me that before, and they said, how do you do it? I'm like, there's all kinds of ways, and that's one. Say, hey, I have a friend on YouTube. She is trying to increase her YouTube following, subscription, because YouTube does require that for you to keep a channel open. Is you have to have a certain number of subscribers, and especially that channel that's just growing. If I don't get it up to 1,000 subscribers, I think after a period of time so anyway. Okay, so today I'm just kind of having fun. So first of all, I wanted to show y'all this because somebody had asked me about this before, because I said I loved this coffee, and I told y'all the name, but I never showed you the box. And this is the box, and it's Aloha Happy Place, which is it's Kauai Coffee is the name of the coffee company. It's got a little hula girl coming out of the coffee right there, and my favorite is the Garden Isle medium roast. And y'all, it just smells so good. If you like coffee, I would recommend that you do it. It comes in little pods, that the way that they're made, they're not the plastic cup, they're the fiber cup, and so they're more I guess responsible to the environment. So that's one thing I wanted to show y'all. I got a bunch of Plunder to show y'all because my Plunder Posse boxes came in, and they finally got to me, so that was nice. But this is so funny. I had bought this a long time ago. My husband said, it's not your best look. He was being honest with me because I'm a little large in the chest. And so this is kind of tight baby doll style. And so it kind of focuses right there. And therefore, it goes straight down from there. So it gives a real boxy look. And so I sent it back. But then I thought, I think that it still was the softest thing I ever wore, and I thought, I'm mostly at home now, and so I've reordered it, and this is in the extra large, so I hope it fits me. It's made in Turkey, and the company is called Soft Surroundings, and I bet some of y'all have heard that before. Soft Surroundings is the name of it. They have all kinds of soft at-home things, usually for ladies who leisure. I'm leisuring when I'm wearing this. When you go to Soft Surroundings, the website, to softsurroundings.com, you'll notice those ladies are quite well to do, and in the environments they put them in, these beautiful like mansion style backgrounds. But I just thought, I loved the look of this. I loved, I loved the plaid. I loved kind of the light blue and gray look. I think the one that I got before was more like a taupe and oatmeal. So this one actually is different. But this could be worn just with blue jeans, y'all, or any kind of I'll probably wear it with leggings because it's a long tunic style. But see at the bottom where it kind of fans out with a little, kind of like almost like a skirt-like look. it kind of adds weight if you're not a real skinny person. But for me to just sit around and be cozy and soft in this, I don't think I've ever felt anything this soft. I wish they had more things in their store made of this. This is made in Turkey, and they do tend to make things super soft. It's a silky soft. I love it. Absolutely love it. It's got these iron hook, and this is just for, no, actually you could unhook them. I said iron hook. Is that right? Anyway, you can see it. Anyway, so I love that, and I thought I'd show y'all that. Sometimes you get things just for you, whether they're the best looking thing or not. Okay? So I got my 2 Plunder posses. What does that mean? I joined Plunder through a girlfriend of mine who's selling them so she can work from home and continue homeschooling her son, which I think is very admirable. And so I am part of the Plunder posse. And every time, what that means is when you sign up for 12 months, you get a discount, a $75 product promo code, and a free gift. So I did that because it was the most, I wanted to support her for a year. And honestly, it's a cheap way to get cute jewelry, and I mean really cute jewelry. So these are my 2 Plunder posses for the month. So let's look at these. I hope it's what's in that picture, because I love that. It's always a surprise every month, y'all. And it always comes, I didn't show you, and this is part of why I do it, is the opening experience is stunning. They're beautiful boxes. So if you wanted to give this, like just say one month it just wasn't your cup of tea what you got, but you thought that my friend blah blah would like this, then what a presentation. These beautiful, beautiful boxes. Comes almost like a little pillow the way it's done. So one of the ways you can open it to make sure that if you don't like it and you want to return it in that same way is don't rip the little seal, just let it slide out the side. We'll see that. There it comes. I think I'm going to want this though. You know what I'm saying? Oh, wait a minute. There's 2 things in the picture. Oh, it does show that there's 2 things. It's a little earring and necklace set. Because I was like, this isn't just a necklace. And a bracelet. Oh, that's in the picture too. Right, so I was after the necklace. When I saw the picture, I was like, I love that necklace. I love discs. Do y'all like discs? And I love that it's 2 layers. Isn't that pretty? That would go with what I have on. That would go with anything. That would go out nice for evening, or it could be casual with just a white t-shirt. I wouldn't put that on white. It wouldn't show up as good. Do a darker color, a medium and neutral color. White, it might get lost on white. I mean, it'd show because it's shimmery. Isn't that pretty? I love it. I love this. Okay, so I'm definitely sold on that. Every single time I get something, I've loved it, y'all. This is so delicate and pretty. I will probably make this a gift for someone else because I have so many bracelets, though. And this is really lovely. Oh, my goodness. Look at the delicate. Oh, and it's stretchy, so it's easy to get on. That's always good when you get older. I hate trying to put a hook on myself by myself. Look at the pretty little beads, and they separate. And then this has got pretty little, a little pink one on the end with a surrounding gold piece. And then these beautiful little, it's almost like a baby blue, mint green, and like a lilac lavendery purple. Isn't that pretty? Okay, what's the earrings? Oh, again, pretty, pretty, pretty. Ooh, I should make that a set to give someone. Again, I've got so many earrings. That is so pretty and simple, though, especially if someone has short hair and they wear studs a lot. Studs show up best on short-haired people. But that's pretty. It's like an oval octagonal, and it's got a pretty little kind of pinkish, grayish, lilac stone in the middle. That really could go with a lot of things. The stones are very neutral. Very, very pretty. It goes with what I have on. I love it. So I may just save those 2 pieces as a gift. So that's one of the wonderful things about this is when you get pieces, if it's, like I said, if it's not your cup of tea, you can turn around and re-gift. When I say re-gift, this wasn't given to me by someone else. I paid for it. But in my subscription, I think I'm going to keep the gold necklaces, and I think for this, I might give those away as a gift. So we'll see. Why do I have 3 of these? This is Plunder Posse, okay. Look at the box. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. Okay, so when you open it, it's like a little pillow. So this is a great way to go shopping for really quality pieces of costume jewelry. I'm not kidding you. And like I said, it's also a way to just build up a collection of pieces that you have at your home. Look at this little bag full of stuff. So it's not just one piece, y'all. This is 3 pieces both times. Love it. Okay, so let's see what we have on here. This is a whole different look. Like that was delicately looking. This is kind of a little more bold, but it's still like natural looking. It's wood on a bronze chain. I love this. Oh wow, that's really cool, y'all. Look. Isn't that cool? Now that would look great on white or black, orange, any wood tone, yellow, a soft sand color, a tan color that's not this dark, but especially on white or black, that'd be really pretty. And it's got little bronze chain and little beads in between each piece. And what else did it come with? Oh my goodness, this very cool kind of antiqued brass bracelet. Very pretty, very simple bangle, but it's big enough it would go over anybody's wrist, so that's nice. That looks great, y'all. Look at that. I like that. And so none of them are too matchy-matchy, but they go together. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. It's, again, little stud earrings, little cheetah pattern in a crystal. Isn't that pretty, y'all? Can y'all see that? I ought to put it up close so you can see it better. Isn't that cool? Okay, this is going to be a part 1 and a part 2 because I have several to go. So this is just going to be a haul video of my Plunder stuff and other stuff. But those are really cute. And again, they would go fine with the necklace, or they could just be by themselves. Isn't that pretty? Again, I could easily wear these, y'all. They go with my